I just got home, 7 p.m. This was delivered like around 3 o'clock. I just noticed this is used. Sawdust everywhere. This wasn't even packed right. I don't know how, and look at this. Look at the blade. The blade, even some of the wording, all that stuff is faded away. Yeah, they gave me something to use. No plastic or nothing. I don't know how this goes. This thing is loose. Yeah, I feel like something is missing too. But yeah, sending it back. No.
Hey guys, I hope you're doing well. I bought this from Amazon. As you can see, it comes in this shape and it has everything here, and this is this part, and this is the battery charger and other part. As you can see how thick and adjustable here. They wrote the measurement stuff, and even when you unlock and put it, it is work. And the battery is like this inside. I like this kind of battery, and this is this side. Totally has good quality. I will use and update you. Thank you for watching. Bye.